roads are pretty bad out. Going in to go plow. It is 3:15 in the morning. January 29th. I believe it is. But 30 degrees outside, so it's warmed up a little bit. Needed to warm up for it to snow. Otherwise it would have been too cold to snow. This is the beginning of the blizzard. Like I said, it's 3:15. It's maybe been snowing for about a half hour. Can't really tell, but it's coming down pretty good. Obviously, the roads are really covered up. There's maybe a half to 3/4 of an inch already on the road. It is slippery out. It is slippery. The car is kind of getting pulled all over the place. You can see it drifting a little bit there. The snow is kind of sucking me in. Alright. Well, this is just going to be a quick one because I need to drive. But there you can just see how bad the roads are starting to get. Pretty sure they pre-treated the roads. They usually do. So even with the pre-treatment on there, it's not icing. It's just slushing, and it's starting to get thick. And because it's wet, it is making it slip. All right. Well, we'll save you for the next one here.